Back again. We got 2006 VIP Nascar Racing retail box. Right here. $24 packs per box. Retail 2006 VIP. Hopefully we got a pull in this thing. Hoping we got some kind of autograph or memorabilia. Let's see what we get here. I keep this phone up, right? Okay, let's see what we got here. Jimmy Johnson. Got Greg Buffer making a show. These cards could be all stuck together. David Strummy rookie. Bubba Bonnie. Looks like only 4 cards per pack here. Damn, that's not gonna work. It's at the table. Kurt Busch. Nemechek. Mark Headgear. Jeff Burton. What else was she? 5 cards? 4 cards. Somebody's got more. Vickers, Kurt Busch, Denny Hamlin, Show, Matt Kenseth. Kevin Harvick, Jeff Gordon. Ooh, we got Transparent. 4 of 9, that's pretty nice. See-through, transparent. Johnson. Go ahead and put all this stuff over here. I'll look it up a little bit later. I'm hoping to pull some kind of autograph, something. Odds are, let's see. Rookie short prints 1 in 6. Memorabilia is 1 out of 12. So not my favorite, but we'll see. Gordon. Bubba Bonnie. Mark Martin. Ryan Newman. Kyle Busch. Dale Jr. sadly. I'll try to make this quick. Johnson, Jimmy Johnson making the show. Mark Truex Jr. Jalen Hurt Jr. Jack, Kane, Dale Jr. by the numbers. Jeff Gordon rides. Murray. Mark Martin making a show. Dale Jr. lap leaders. Casey Kane. Got a lot of inserts in this. Just hoping to pull. Have to buy like 4 boxes of this to be guaranteed. So it's got Riggs, Stewart, Taylor Bonnie, Jimmy Johnson, Dale Jr. making a show. We got transparent. Jeff Burton headgear, Greg Biffle. A lot of inserts. Dale Jr. Martin, Tony Stewart, and Matt Kenseth. Come on, give me a pull. I want to hit. I know it's retail, but man. Mark Martin. Bonnie. Casey Kane making a show. Sorensen rookie. Making a show. Casey Kane. Mark Martin. Jimmy Johnson. Got Bobby Labonte. Jimmy Johnson. Still nothing. I want to pull something out of this. Anything. Matt Kenseth making a show. Kevin Harvick. It's about 2 boxes of this shit. Man. Kyle Petty. Harvick. Stewart. Well, nothing yet. Kevin Harvick. Taylor Bonnie making a show. We got a Clinton Boyer rookie. Jimmy McMurray. Casey Kane. Mark Martin. Kevin Harvick making a show. And Casey Kane. Kyle Busch. Schrader. Jeff Burton. Gear. Dale Jarrett. Spirit. Kurt Busch Head Show. Greg Biffle. My tricks at the show. Jimmy Johnson. Greg Biffle. Well, hoping to pull something. Look, this one seems real thick. Maybe. Yeah. No, nothing. Jimmy Johnson. Scott Riggs. There's an extra card in it. He's making a show. Okay, Bush. Stewart. Kurt Busch, lab leader. Gordon. Last pack. No hit, no autograph, no memorabilia. Nope. Harvick, Edwards, Scott Riggs, and Colors. So, that was that 2006 VIP retail. Pass. No hits, though. Thanks for watching.